This is a nice car charger. What is unique about this is that this is an extendable wire, so that if you are traveling and you have several passengers with you, you have two ports that can be used in front, and there are two other ports here, USB ports, that can stretch up to the back where the passengers are seated. So this one is very convenient because you just put it in the car lighter. So those two USB ports can be used by the driver and the front passenger. And then this wire extends to the back, and these two USB ports can be shared by back passengers. So it is really a gadget that is useful, especially when you're traveling with several people. Nice.